Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. In today's video, it is a 2-in-1 video. It's a review video and eye makeup using the same product. So if you're interested in a 2-in-1 liner to shadow look, then this is a tutorial for you guys. And let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well and set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in translucent. I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette and the shade called Butter as my crease shade. I'm going to blend that well till I'm happy with the intensity of the color. The product in review is Rimmel Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. I have purchased 3 colors, orange, purple and a bright blue color, and these retail for 4.4 KD in Kuwait, and I purchased it for 3.3 because there was a small discount going on. And you can purchase this on Nykaa as well because they retail for $8.99. And this is the first shade called 004 Savage. It's a beautiful bright orange color. But when you apply it all over your lid, it doesn't look that bright. So here I'm just going to apply it all over my lid without a base shadow, and I'm going to blend that well with my fingers. So once you blend it, the color is just gone. You can just find glitter there. I'm going to add in more shadow. So if you're a person who likes little shimmer or glitter shininess on your lids, then this is a product for you guys. The next shade that I'm going to apply is I'm gonna do my brows first, guys. Okay, so I'm using Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm filling the sparse areas of my brows. Product from the same collection is the Kohl AF. It's a bright glitter purple liner, guys, and the color payoff is just wow. I just love this. I'm going to use that as a liner here, and I'm going to create a nice winged liner. Now if you see that orange shade, you will be saying that, see, can you see those creasing there? It has creased very badly on my lids, maybe because I didn't apply eyeshadow underneath it. I just wanted to test it just like that. So maybe if I use a shadow underneath that glitter liner to shadow, maybe it won't crease, but I'm going to try that in my next tutorial. So here is just a simple tutorial trying to use these products for a simple eye makeup look. Next I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline with Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner. Now for my lower waterline, I'm going to apply the same purple shadow, a liner to shadow as a shadow, and I'm going to blend that with a small bullet brush. It looks good, but I'm not sure as a shadow. Maybe I'll create another tutorial using this purple as an eyeshadow and see how it works out. I'm going to use the same Balm's Merry Luminizer as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. I love how the way my eyes look, but I'm not liking the way it has creased the orange color. Maybe if I used a base, it would have looked much better. So what is the final verdict? The darker colors look much more better than the lighter colors. Maybe for the lighter colors you will need a base shadow underneath it, but we can all give it a try. So if you're interested, you can go to any boot store or center point in Kuwait to purchase these products. And this is the final look, you guys. I just love how that purple liner looks like. So do give it a try. And if you enjoy watching this review video, this is my first review video, you guys, so just I don't know how I have fared well. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. There are many more videos on my channel. Please go and check them out, guys, and show some love by subscribing. And until next time, take care. Bye.